guys, October 26, 2022. So there's an annual service I do for a lady every year. She calls me. And I don't know, it was 5-6 years where she used someone else and then she started calling me back. So they call me, I go there and give it the once over. A lot of times they're easy. Depends. Try to get you some shots if I can. I had to do a burner service. I was here last year. And also good oil flow, good draft over fire. I replaced the zone valve head last time I was here, I believe. I think I had to replace the whole body too. She's got a full tank. We'll check the oil flow with the pump and see if this filter's bad. We'll check our oil flow coming out of this pump, see what we got. And we'll tell if the filters are dirty or not. I've been finding the filters pretty dirty on a lot of units lately. There was a few years back there when they were running clean oil. A little sulfur fuel, and it was good stuff. Let's see what we got for these Webster pumps. Always pumped good. Let's see what we got for flow. We're fine there. Got no issues with that at all. So I don't change shit. I don't need to. The filters are fine there. Next we'll do is change a nozzle. Some guys will change the filters whether they need them or not. Not me. I only do what needs to be done. That's how I am. It's a steel boiler. You can see how it's kind of wimpy. Original to the house. It's at 97. So it's 25 years old. It's not leaking, so we leave it. Yeah, she's been running clean. Check the burner head. Knocks any carbon off it. Nozzle's probably fine. We're nice and clean here. I always like to change the nozzle. Looks like brand new. That will get black a lot of times because there's no filter in the pump. Well, she's running clean. 475 in there. That's all you need. It's a little colonial. You don't need to go too big with these nozzles. Kind of weird, going in tight. Going in tight. That's what you want. You want to have these things, you check them every year and make sure they're running clean and lean and you got no issues. Price of oil, though. Can't have things going wonky on you. Price of oil, you can't have things going wonky. see it's not all burnt, all black at the door. You know, it's been running good. CAD cell's nice and clean. We'll fire it up and check it. Where you can check the draft, get it so it's zeroed out, and release it. Adjust the damper a little bit, looks like. Shut the damper down a little bit. Yeah, we're getting draft. Put your hand here. If it was rolling out, your hand would get cooked. That's fine. It's running lean too, so that's what we want. Easy one. It's an easy one. Okay, so no nozzle. Good oil flow, good draft over fire. Oil pressure looks good at 15. It's fine. That's the original boiler for the house there.